In this video, I'm going to show you how to construct a cube using stiff clay slabs. So this is day 3, and you're going to take out that moist paper towel there. You're going to take out your beveled squares, and you're going to start off by scoring and slipping. So just get some slip and a brush, and you want to get maybe like a serrated metal rib or a needle tool or the scoring tool to score the beveled edges here. I like using this serrated metal rib because it scores pretty fast compared to the other tools. Okay, so you're going to get your brush and you're going to slip the beveled scored edges there. And you want to make sure you push and press firmly once you attach them there so that it has a nice seal. And you're going to score and slip another square edge here. Okay, you're going to attach it, and again, you're going to press firmly where they join so that they have a nice seal and they don't start falling apart. Okay, and the next step is to weave the seams together using a wooden tool here. So remember, you're pressing the clay into the clay on the other side. So you take some clay on one side, push it into the other side, and then vice versa, and then you're going to smooth it out. And you're going to do this to every seam on the inside. And you're going to add a coil to the inside seams. So roll a really thin coil, add it right there where the seam is, and you're just going to take your finger and just push it in there and smooth it out. This makes the seams stronger on the inside so that the cube is less likely to fall apart once you put it together. And you're going to score and slip a third wall here. Make sure that you're pressing firmly. And again, weave, 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 and put that coil in between there and smooth it out. Okay, that last wall goes up there. And press firmly so that it has a nice seal. Okay, you're gonna weave the inside as best as you can. Put a little coil piece on the inside and smooth it out. Use the wooden tool to kind of help you smooth it out there. And this last side here to make a cube. Just score and slip, score and slip. And I'm just gonna drop that right there. So this portion right here, you're going to go on every edge and make sure the seam is nice and sealed. You may need to weave on some edges and possibly need to add more clay here and there when you're weaving because it makes indentations in there. And you're going to take your metal rib, the one that's not serrated, the one that doesn't have a jagged edge to it, and you're going to take it and smooth it out. You might want to tap your cube a little bit too and push it back and forth on the table to make it a little smooth. Don't use a sponge to smooth it out. You don't want to make it wet because you want to keep these slabs on the stiffer side. Then once you're finished, you're going to put it on a board, and you're going to get a lightly damp paper towel or paper towels, and you're going to wrap it around it and seal it up. And that's it.